Dream job? Sounds perfect. But this is so long.
Can you summarize what they're looking for?
Nice. Help me run a mock interview to practice?
You got it. Can you provide an example of how you managed a difficult client relationship in your previous role?
One of my key responsibilities was, I'm flailing. Copilot, what could I say?
Not a bad start. Try grounding your response in an example. How did you find a solution?
Gotcha. Okay, let me try again. At my last agency, one client always had issues with the campaign strategy. So I went into listening mode with them, acknowledged their frustration, tweaked strategy into language that actually resonated. Now, they're a dream to work with. How was that, Copilot?
That's great. Shall we practice some more?
Yes, please.